Well, hello. I hope you guys can hear me. So it's Victor or 12X. I thought I'd leave my bedroom today and take off my hoodie and, and clean myself up and do a reading outside. So I'm currently in an area called Cabramatta, which is not far from, it's in my city. It's in the general area, a very multicultural area. I thought I'd just prop myself here very quickly. And before any of the locals call the police for this crazy guy talking in public, I thought I'd do a very quick Book of Mormon reading. And then if you guys like it, then we'll go from there. But I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, so I picked a short chapter. We're going to go from there, okay? So, Book of Mormon. We are, again, Cabramatta, southwest Sydney. One of my favourite suburbs, to be fair. The food is very good. If you like Vietnamese, Chinese, Asian cuisine, it is definitely the best. And their bakeries are very good. Alright, here we go. 1 Nephi, chapter 9. Nephi makes two sets of records. Each is called the Plates of Nephi. The larger plates contain a secular history. The smaller ones deal primarily with sacred things, around 600 and 592 BC. And all these things did my father see and hear and speak, as he dwelt in a tent in the valley of Lemuel, and also a great many more things, which cannot be written upon these plates. And now, as I have spoken concerning these plates, behold, they are not the plates upon which I make a full account of the history of my people. For the plates upon which I make a full account of my people, I have given the name of Nephi. Wherefore they are called the plates of Nephi, after mine own name. And these plates also are called the plates of Nephi. Nevertheless, I have received a commandment of the Lord that I should make these plates for the special purpose. There should be an account engraven of the ministry of my people. Upon the other plates should be engraven an account of the reign of the kings, and the wars and contentions of my people. Wherefore these plates are for the more part of the ministry, and the other plates are for the more part of the reign of the kings, and the wars and contentions of my people. Wherefore the Lord hath commanded me to make these plates for a wise purpose in him, which purpose I know not. But the Lord knoweth all things from the beginning. Wherefore he prepareth a way to accomplish all his works among the children of men. For behold, he hath all power unto the fulfilling of all his words, and thus it is. Amen. When I read this, I think a few things. I think one, the absolute obedience this man had for God's command. We have to understand he's scribing this on golden plates. Gold is not an easy thing to scribe upon. But he must have known, or God definitely knew, that they had to last for perpetuity, forever. And any other a wooden scroll or a paper would have weathered and destroyed itself, would not have lasted. And look at things like the Dead Sea Scrolls. There were some of them that were scripted in bronze. There were the famous Ten Commandments on stone blocks. So it was not the first or the last time that Lord would use, scribing on stone or on a heavy material to get the job done. Also like the last section here. But the Lord knoweth all things from the beginning. Wherefore he prepareth the way to accomplish all his works among the children of men. For behold, he hath all power unto the fulfilling of all his words. Thus it is. Amen. So if God gives us a task, he will give us the means and the measures and the ways to get the job done. I really hope you guys could hear me. I don't know how good the audio it is. If this works out, I'll try and do another one. God bless. Try and go to church if you can. If not, at least say a prayer. I'll see you guys later. Bye.